this is about encouraging students to explore their creativity within VR spaces. I think our initial thoughts, our initial approach was to essentially not to set any boundaries. We wanted to say, look, there's so much potential here. We want you to perhaps show us what that potential might mean for you. So initially, we actually gave them examples that were maybe pushing the boundaries of a learning space. So, you know, what would it look like to sit on summer garden furniture in a blizzard during a sunset? And so we kind of challenged what those learning spaces might be, but which I think was great initially, but we realised that students need a framework, they need some kind of structure to work to. That became evident pretty early on. So it seemed like that students wanted structures that were recognisable, and that's, I guess, what we moved towards. So whether that was existing modes of delivery or kind of recommended methodologies. So we had spaces, for example, for enquiry and realisation, or then we had spaces maybe like workshop spaces where students could present and show their work. So there was still room to manoeuvre, but I think students liked being able to connect it to the kind of spaces, the learning spaces that they've come to know. So I think moving and just testing that relationship is really, really important.